Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Sensodye is probably one of the most innovative and versatile products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design that aims to revolutionize how we interact with our environment and manage our daily tasks, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and streamline their lives with cutting-edge solutions. Number 5. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's specifically designed to help reharden and strengthen your enamel. If you suffer from sensitive teeth, this toothpaste provides the care you need. It works to protect against the causes of sensitivity. Its advanced formula actively works to reharden and strengthen weakened enamel. This helps build resilience against daily acid erosion. Enjoy a lasting feeling of extra freshness after every brush. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. This convenient pack includes 3 tubes, ensuring you always have this essential dental care on hand. Keep your smile healthy and strong. What we like. This one focuses on rebuilding and strengthening your enamel. If you're concerned about enamel erosion or want to proactively protect your teeth, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those seeking long-term enamel health and a refreshing clean. What people say. My sensitive teeth feel less sensitive, and I love that it helps reharden and strengthen enamel without being harsh. The extra fresh flavor is a nice bonus, refreshing but not overpowering. It's gentle enough for daily use and gives me confidence that I'm protecting my smile long-term. My teeth and gums feel thoroughly cleaned after using, and my mouth feels very fresh overall. There's a nice minty flavor, but it's not too strong, nor does it sting my mouth. Number 4. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste, 3-pack. Discover a brighter smile without the sensitivity. Sensodyne Extra Whitening gently lifts stains while protecting your teeth. Experience lasting relief from tooth sensitivity. This toothpaste is clinically proven to soothe and protect. It effectively removes stains for a visibly whiter smile. You can achieve a brighter look safely and gently. Enjoy long-lasting sensitivity protection with every brush. It keeps your teeth comfortable throughout the day. Get a convenient pack of 3 for continuous care. This ensures you always have your trusted toothpaste on hand. What we like. Looking for a brighter smile without compromising on sensitivity relief? This option offers effective whitening while still being gentle on your teeth. If you want to tackle surface stains and achieve a whiter smile, this is the one for you. What people say. Sensodyne Extra Whitening has truly been a lifesaver. No more sharp twinges or cringing like a wimp when enjoying an ice cream cone. Sensodyne Extra Whitening has come to the rescue, gradually erasing those stubborn stains without compromising my sensitivity needs. Sensodyne Extra Whitening has the ADA seal of acceptance, assuring me that I'm using a product that's been thoroughly vetted by the pros. Number 3. Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum Whitening Toothpaste. Experience a new level of oral care with our advanced toothpaste. It's designed to gently whiten while addressing sensitivity and gum issues. This unique formula works to brighten your smile and promote healthier gums. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher feeling with every brush. If you suffer from sensitive teeth or gum problems, this is the solution for you. It provides relief and protection, so you can eat and drink comfortably. Achieve a visibly whiter smile without compromising your oral health. It effectively removes stains for a brighter appearance. Get a convenient pack of 3 to ensure you always have this essential toothpaste on hand. Maintain your oral hygiene routine effortlessly. Don't let sensitivity or gum issues hold you back. This toothpaste offers comprehensive care for a healthier, more confident smile. What we like. This toothpaste targets both sensitivity and gum issues, with added whitening benefits. If you suffer from sensitive teeth and are also experiencing gum problems, this provides a comprehensive solution. It's perfect for those wanting to address multiple oral care concerns simultaneously. What people say. This oral medicine and dental supporting paste is the best I have ever owned. I feel like it helps my teeth not to be as sensitive. I have very sensitive teeth, and this toothpaste helps reduce the discomfort I usually feel with cold drinks and hot coffee. The stannous fluoride seems to work well for sensitivity, and I noticed less gum irritation too. Number 2. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing our Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. It's designed to strengthen your enamel and protect against acid erosion. Experience relief from sensitive teeth with this advanced formula. It provides lasting sensitivity protection. This toothpaste offers effective cavity protection. It helps to keep your teeth healthy and strong. Its unique formulation works to strengthen your enamel. This helps to rebuild and fortify your teeth's natural defense. Achieve a brighter smile with its gentle whitening properties. It helps to remove stains and reveal a whiter appearance. Enjoy the cool and refreshing Arctic breeze flavor. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. What we like. This formula is designed to strengthen enamel and provide cavity protection, along with whitening. If you're prone to cavities and want to ensure your enamel is robust, this is an excellent preventative option. It's a fantastic choice for maintaining overall oral health with a whitening effect. What people say. After a couple of weeks of consistent use, I noticed less sensitivity when drinking cold water and eating crunchy foods. My teeth also felt smoother after brushing, which made them feel cleaner overall. I noticed a real improvement within a week or so of consistent use. It doesn't numb the teeth like some other brands, instead, it gradually reduces sensitivity in a more natural way. This toothpaste works great to help repair the enamel and makes your teeth feel clean and stronger. Also helps with sensitivity, which is great when you have that one tooth that hates the cold. Number 1. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening Toothpaste. Discover the advanced formula designed to repair sensitive areas of your teeth. It also helps prevent cavities and gently whitens your smile. This toothpaste actively repairs and strengthens your teeth, providing lasting sensitivity relief. Enjoy a healthier, more comfortable mouth. Achieve a brighter smile without compromising your sensitive teeth. Its whitening action is both effective and gentle. Protect your teeth from cavities with every brush. This formula offers reliable defense for long-term oral health. Experience sustained comfort from tooth sensitivity. It works continuously to shield your teeth from triggers. Get a convenient pack of 4 to ensure you always have this essential care on hand. Maintain your oral health effortlessly. What we like. This product actively repairs sensitive areas and helps prevent cavities, while also whitening your teeth. If you need relief from tooth sensitivity and want to safeguard against future dental issues, this is a highly effective choice. It's ideal for those seeking dual action for repair and protection with a whitening bonus. What people say. It gently soothes sensitivity while gradually brightening my smile, without any painful tingly burn or harsh abrasives. After about a week, I could enjoy cold drinks again with zero discomfort. The mint flavor is pleasantly mild, not overpowering, and it leaves my mouth feeling fresh and clean without lingering harshness. Plus, this toothpaste helps strengthen enamel and protects against cavities thanks to its stannous fluoride formula. Definitely feel my teeth are white. Especially as a coffee entertainer. Paste is thick. No slipping off the brush. It helps sensitive. Breath freshness is fine. It's not overly scented. It's fairly neutral really. Doesn't leave any weird aftertastes or urges to rinse it out completely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.